You know what's tricky about dropshipping? It's not setting up your store, it's not running ads, it's finding that one product that actually makes people click buy without hesitating. And here's the thing right now, there are products selling like crazy and most sellers are completely missing them. And why? Because they are stuck doing it the old way, spending hours, sometimes days scrolling to random supplier websites, checking scattered reviews, crossing their fingers on quality and praying shipping won't take 40 days. And that's exactly why I use Doba. And why Doba's work? Think of Doba like your dropshipping command center. It's not just a product catalog, it's a curated marketplace where every product comes from a vetted supplier. You see real shipping times before you list the item, you get supply ratings so you know how you are working with, and even get ready to use product photos and video. They have got AI powered tools that track trending products before they blow up so you can catch the wave early. And my favorite part, you can test drive the entire platform for the $0.99. That's less than the price of a coffee to find your next winning product. Okay, so let's start with something perfect for coffee lovers, the the portable electric all-in-one coffee machine. This is not your average coffee gadget, it's a complete coffee setup in one portable unit. You grind your beans, brew your coffee and drink it from the included cup. The grinder has no setup micro tuning so you can dial in your grind size exactly how you like it. And a 25-gram porter's tank make up 25 cups from one fill. It comes with a reusable coffee filter, a 300 ml coffee cup and it's USB rechargeable so you can use it at home, in the office, while traveling or even camping. And with Doba you are not guessing about stock or shipping, you get a verified supplier, clear delivery estimates and high quality marketing materials ready to upload to your store. Now if coffee powers our morning, the next product will take care of keeping our homes fresh and clean without lifting a finger. So this is a high ticket, high demand product. The Greek Smart L7 is a robot vacuum and mop combo that does not just bounce around randomly. It uses advanced LDS navigation to map out a home without pinpoint accuracy. You can select specific room to clean, schedule it for certain time, and it's powerful enough with its 2700 PS suction to hand pet hair, crumbs and dirt. The mop function means it's not just sweep, it leaves floor looking polished. And because it's Wi-Fi connected, you can control it right from your phone even when you are not at home. And for dropshipper, this is the kind of product that grabs attention in social media ads and justifies a premium price. And again, on Doba you will get everything: supply, reliability, shipping speed and professional product footage so you can start selling faster. Okay, now from smart gadgets, let's move into something every gardener and home owner will appreciate. A product that solves the problem year after year. And this is Weaver Heavy Duty Weed Barrier Fabric. This one is a hidden gem. The Weaver Weed Barrier Fabric is made from heavy duty woven material that's tough enough to stop weeds but it still lets air and water through so plant can thrive. It's UV resistant, tear proof and designed to last season after season. Each roll is 2 feet by 300 feet so it covers a lot of ground literally. Gardeners, landscapers and even farmers love this because it saves hours of waiting and keeps gardens look perfect. And for dropshipper, this product is great because it's a low return, high use item. People often buy multiple rolls, which means bigger order volumes for you. And it's the kind of practical product that sells year round. And speaking of repeat buyers, the next product is perfect as bought as a main item and a cross sell. And that is 3-piece glass coffee jar set. These glass jars are simple, stylish and functional, the kind of product that looks great in any kitchen. Each set comes with 3 airtight jars and matching spoons, perfect for coffee, tea, sugar, spices, snacks, you name it. They are clear so you can see exactly what's inside, and a design makes them a hit for people who love an organized aesthetic kitchen. Pair them with that portable coffee machine and you have got the complete coffee lover bundle that practically sells itself. And finally, let's step outside because outdoor living product can be a huge profit makers, especially in the warmer month. And that is our product number 5, Vevor Manual Retractable Awning. This awning instantly upgrades into patio, balcony or storefront front. It gives more than 6 feet of shades plus an extra 3/4 drop curtain for even more coverage. It's made from weather-resistant fabric and a sturdy frame, and the manual retractable design means customer can adjust it to block sun or light rain. It's perfect for backyard gatherings, cafes or simply enjoying the outdoors without baking in the sun. Outdoor lifestyle products like this tend to get a ton of engagement on social media, especially when you use the professional photos and videos Doba provides. And why these products work with Doba? Here's the secret. The reason these 5 products work so well is because you are not gambling. You are selling items from verified supplier with known delivery time and proven demand. Doba handles the heavy lifting. You focus on creating the story, running the ads and collecting the profit. Their AI tool helps you spot trends earlier. The $0.99 trial means you can test everything before committing. And the ready-made marketing access means you can launch products in hours, not weeks. So if you have been stuck scrolling endlessly looking for that one, these products and Doba massive catalog are where you will find it. Winning products, trusted suppliers and the tool to give them fast. So start your free trial, explore the catalog and see just how much easier dropshipping can be when you have got the right platform on your site. You will also find the Doba link in my description below, and don't forget to hit that like button. If you want to learn more about Doba, then definitely watch this video now. And don't forget to click that subscribe button too.